Did you know that there's multiple ways to tie your shoes? You might not believe me at first, but the first one, well, both of these actually, you have to grab both of the laces and like make a cross with them. Put one on top of the other one. And then the one that's on top, you put it under the other one and pull. Like I said, that's gonna be for both ways. And for the bunny ears, you'll just grab two laces and put them in the shape of bunny ears. Then put one on top of the other, just like the little thing I was talking about earlier. And then pull it from under. And then you tied your shoes. The other way is the way I use. You'll be using that little cross pattern thingy, where you put one on top of the other, and the one that's on top, you bring it under the other one, and then pull really hard. And you make one bunny ear instead of two, and then you wrap the other lace around it, kind of covering up your thumb, and then fully around it. And you'll see that under it, there's a lace that goes, there's a little lace that goes like that. And the part of the lace that's under the ear, you grab it, holding the loop at the same time. And yeah, that's the other way of tying your shoes.